Tension imbalances and worn-out parts often lead to garage door cables falling off unexpectedly. In Panama City, Florida, unique weather conditions can exacerbate these mechanical issues significantly. The combination of coastal humidity and seasonal storms creates perfect conditions for cable problems. Understanding your garage door's cable system can be essential for ensuring safety and functionality. Garage door cables work alongside springs to lift and lower your door flawlessly, providing crucial balance. When cables come off their drum or pulley, your garage door could become unbalanced or jammed. Look out for common warning signs: unusual noises, crooked doors, or even visible slack in cables. Routine maintenance can prevent these unfortunate situations, making upkeep more crucial than you might think. While DIY fixes can be tempting, the powerful tension in cables can lead to dangerous situations. Contacting a professional for timely repairs can safeguard your home, ensuring peace of mind and safety.